My name is Jamie Fye. I'm the owner and creator of Supremescapes Lawn Care and Landscaping. Scott Nieheisel and Cheryl Nieheisel in northern Kentucky called us looking for a patio installation. Their old existing patio was just in shambles, so we came in and kind of revamped it and used some new material and made it an outdoor living space for them. Hardscaping is one of our favorite things to do. It's really cool to watch everything kind of unfold, and it'll last a lifetime.